What's the meaning of atomicity? Atomicity. Atomicity.
Atomicity. Atomicity. In computer science, atomicity refers to the property of an operation or a transaction that it is indivisible and irreducible. It either completes successfully in its entirety or fails entirely, leaving no partial or intermediate effects. Atomicity ensures data consistency and integrity by preventing incomplete or inconsistent changes to a system. Without atomicity, concurrent operations or transactions might interfere with each other, leading to race conditions, deadlocks, or data corruption. Atomicity is one of the four fundamental properties of a transaction, along with consistency, isolation, and durability.